Stoneworms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video with the Samsung Galaxy A23 5G for Boost Mobile. So the Galaxy A23 is a new mid-range smartphone for Boost Mobile. It's available now for $179.99. It's currently on sale, $120 off. Full retail price for the Galaxy A23 is $299.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone, the Galaxy A23 is worth taking a look at here. So yeah, there's the Galaxy A23 right there in front. Y'all got such a teardrop notch for your front facing camera there. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. And it has this colorful wallpaper there. It reminds me of at&t colors, with the orange and blue, so pretty interesting there. Like I said, teardrop notch front facing camera there. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. The left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot right here on the left. Right side, like I said, power button, volume keys. To your power button is also your fingerprint sensor, so keep it in mind. So that's pretty nice. So on the back of the Galaxy A23 is your quad camera setup. Right there, camera flash, Samsung logo on the back. The Galaxy A23 reminds me of the Galaxy A53, which Boost Mobile offers, but it costs a bit more and it has better specs, obviously. And there's the right side of it right there. Volume keys, power button, / fingerprint sensor. Alright. It says Galaxy A23 5G makes keeping up with the things you love. Most day bridge with virtually lag-free 5G. You'll live life best moments with a wide lens camera and indefinite display. So you guys have a 6.6 inch display, 50 megapixel main camera, 44 hours of talk time, 64 gigabytes of storage, and Android 12 with One UI 4.1.1. Of course, how's it work is order today. Wait for your phone to arrive, pick a plan, and activate online. Pretty simple there. Features: we are already connected. The power of 5G fast speeds changes the way you experience and share content. From super smooth gaming to streaming to ultra fast sharing and downloading. So the main selling point of the Galaxy A23 that does have 5G. So that's pretty much standard now. So it's very nice. Awesome performance to do more. Galaxy A23 5G combines Snapdragon mobile platforms power. Galaxy A23 5G combines Snapdragon mobile platforms power with 4 gigabytes of RAM for fast and efficient performance for the task at hand. Enjoy 64 gigabytes of internal storage and add up to 1 terabyte more with their micro SD card. So the Galaxy A23 5G has a Snapdragon 695 processor, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of internal storage with expandable memory up to 1 terabyte. So take advantage of that. A rich viewing experience with super smooth scrolling. Transform your mobile gaming experience with indefinite 6.6 inch Infinity V display of the Galaxy A23 5G. Watch content in awesome clarity and catch every detail with an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Galaxy A23 5G makes viewing awesome from one edge to the other. So for $300 you're getting a 120 Hz refresh rate, which is very nice on the mid-range phone like this. So it's pretty nice that you're getting a 120 Hz refresh rate. So pretty nice. This front, back, and front there. Very nice looking phone. The Galaxy A53. The Galaxy A23 looks like the Galaxy A53, except for the Galaxy A53 has better specs and it costs a bit more. So, yeah. Simple yet absolute. It says slide Galaxy A23 5G in and out of your pocket with ease. Its slim, beautiful design, featuring a compact camera, gets rid of unnecessary bulk, plastic gilded glass 5 display gives this sleek phone an extra layer of endurance. Multi-lens camera, multi-perspective photography. The multi-lens camera on the Galaxy A23 5G takes photos to the next level. Get crisper, clearer shots with the 50 megapixel camera. Expand your viewing angle with the ultra-wide camera. Customize focus with the depth camera, and get closer to details with the macro camera. So, in order, you have a 5 megapixel ultra wide camera on top. Your main camera is in the middle at 50 megapixels. Your 2 megapixel depth sensor is underneath of that, and then you guys have a 2 megapixel macro camera lens on the side of that, along with your camera flash. Alright, so pretty nice. Says get the full picture with ultra wide camera. Says similar to human eyesight, the 5 megapixel ultra wide camera sees the world with a 123-degree angle of view, adding more perspective to everything you shoot. So pretty cool. Says face the spotlight. The 2 megapixel depth camera lets you adjust the depth of field in your photos. Adjust the background blur for higher quality portrait shots that make your subject truly stand out. Front facing attention grabbing. Front camera attention grabbing selfies. With portrait mode added to the 8 megapixel front camera, you can snap stunning selfies that feature more you and less background. A battery that was built to keep up. With a long-lasting, super fast charging battery, you can get more done without taking a break to charge. So the Galaxy A23 5G features a 5000 mAh battery, so you guys can get great battery life on this phone. So very nice. Game Booster gives you the edge. Says go for the win. Game Booster tracks your gaming patterns to optimize your device battery life, temperature, and memory, while blocking background activities and notifications, so you won't lose focus. So the Game Booster helps with temperature, memory, and battery life on your phone. So that's pretty nice. Says go beyond the ordinary listening experience with Dolby Atmos. Says simply plug in your earphones to be transported to the middle of your music and movies. With Dolby Atmos, you will hear sound that's full, loud, and seem to surround you in the scene. So that's pretty cool. Protect what matters to you. Built into the phone's hardware and software from the start, Samsung Knox protects your phone from the minute it's turned on, offering multi-layer security. It defends your most sensitive information from malware and malicious attacks, from malicious threats. So Samsung Knox is a great tool. I suggest you guys use it. Unlock your phone with your fingerprint. With the fingerprint sensor built right into the power button, one seamless motion gets you into your phone. Your privacy protected. Keep your personal photos, videos, files, apps, and data safe inside a secure folder with the defense-grade Samsung Knox security platform, which protects your information from malicious attacks. Add your password or fingerprint so that only you can access your data. Your Galaxy, your way. And something truly yours. Customize your Galaxy with One UI 4 and give your phone an edgy look to match your vibes. Create a bespoke tool that assists with your tasks seamlessly and makes your favorite features readily accessible. Connect here, connect there, effortlessly attentive. Buds audio switching leads your ears to what you should be focusing on when you're watching a movie on your tablet. An incoming call to your phone will be transferred seamlessly for you to pick up, hang up, and you're right back to where you left off. So that's pretty nice. Listen with your buds together. Take over the sidewalk with your best friend. Buds together gives you this simple yet unbeatable experience of listening to songs together on the go. Keep your device in tip-top condition with us. Enjoy peace of mind when you choose to buy a Galaxy smartphone. Their interactive diagnostics and optimization on Samsung members app makes it easy to tune up the performance of your devices, while our helpline lets you troubleshoot problems when you need the extra assistance. So yeah, Samsung members app has a lot of tools in it, so take advantage of that. Specs on the Galaxy A23 5G. The specs on here are pretty good. Like I said, this is a mid-range budget smartphone, so you do get what you pay for here. But I think it's worth $300 in my opinion. So you guys get a 5,000 mAh battery, 44 hours of talk time. The battery's not movable, of course. It's pretty much standard now. 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage with support for external micro SD card up to 1 TB. Snapdragon 695 processor. Octa-core Android 12 with One UI 4.1.1. Cameras 50 megapixel main, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth, 2 megapixel macro camera on the back, 8 megapixel front facing camera. Display 6.6 inches Full HD plus TFT display. That's a 120Hz refresh rate there. So it's very nice. Dimensions on the Galaxy A23 5G: 6.51 inches height, 3.3 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. The Galaxy A23 5G with 7.2 ounces. Connectivity options are Wi-Fi 8 to 11 ABGN and AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1. Other features include privacy and security, Galaxy connected experience, and storage. So very nice. What's included in the box is your Samsung Galaxy A23 5G smartphone, a Jackson pen, Type-C data cable, quick start guide. I don't know if you get a charger with this phone or not. I'm not really sure. Don't be surprised if you guys don't get a charger with this phone, because Samsung don't include chargers on their phones anymore. So don't be surprised if you guys don't come. Don't be surprised if it don't come with the charger. You guys will have to provide your own charger if it does not come with one, which I'm pretty sure it probably don't, because it's not listed here and what it's included in the box. So keep it in mind. If you guys need help with your Galaxy A23 5G smartphone, Beast Mobile has you covered with that, with the right support here. So want to know everything there is to know about this phone. Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy A23 5G is now here at Beast Mobile, currently on sale, $120 off at $179.99. So not bad for $180. I think it's worth it, because you're getting a lot for $180. You're getting a 5G smartphone for $180, so I think it's definitely worth it. Even if you get it at full retail price at $300, I think it's worth it as well. So very nice looking phone. It looks like the Galaxy A53, like I said, but the Galaxy A53 has better specs and it costs a bit more. So yeah, if you guys like the Galaxy A53 design, but you guys don't want to pay for the price for the Galaxy A53, y'all guys can get the Galaxy A23 for a bit cheaper, and you guys will still get pretty good specs for the price. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.